Welcome to Feng Shui Digest. The Epipremnum Aum, commonly known as the money plant, is widely used in Feng Shui. It is also known by several other names, including golden pothos, evergreen plants, Ceylon creeper, hunter's robe, ivy arum, silver vine, and marble queen. Plants play a significant role in people's homes, acting as good assistants for purifying the air and making the home environment more livable. However, according to relevant plant and household Feng Shui, there are also some Feng Shui rules in the cultivation of the money plant. To ensure good Feng Shui, it is important not to violate relevant taboos. Benefits of keeping money plant at home. In Feng Shui, putting a money plant on the writing desk or office table can help people prosper and make their work productive. This is why you can see them in many company offices. Potted money plant is placed, as it can be placed in the position of wealth to enhance the development trend of the customer industry. If placed in the position of relationships, it is good for marriage and family happiness. Resolving negative energy. The leaves of the money plant are lush throughout all seasons, not only purifying indoor air but also sucking out oil stains and harmful substances in the air, making them ideal for dispelling negative energy. As the dining room, kitchen, and bathroom are the most polluted areas in a house, placing the money plant in these areas can solve the negative energy in the home. Attracting money energy. In home Feng Shui, the money plant has the effect of attracting wealth and prosperity in addition to its cleaning and settling effect in the natural environment. Placing a pot of money plant in the southeast of the home is good for attracting wealth. However, there are also taboos of keeping the money plant at home. One of the taboos is avoiding dark environments, since the money plant itself has a strong yin. Curing in a dark place can easily enhance its yin and affect good Feng Shui energy. The money plant can also be affected by insufficient light, causing poor growth. In families with children and pregnant women, the plant sap of money plant, which contains certain toxins, may endanger their health if ingested or accidentally touched. In addition, the money plant has vigorous climbing, so timely pruning of branches and leaves during maintenance is necessary to avoid the whole house being full of climbing, which will affect Feng Shui performances and people's health. To raise the money plant's Feng Shui, it is best to place it in the opposite corner of the living room, which is the fortune corner and the best location for Feng Shui in the whole family. The money plant can enhance the money energy in the room and bring a turning point in financial fortune, so it is important to make good use of the property, invest it, and not spend it aimlessly. The money plant can also be placed in the kitchen, where it has two advantages. First, it can absorb kitchen oil smoke, making the environment more environmentally friendly. Second, it can increase the greenness of the kitchen, making cooking more enjoyable. Money plants have tenacious vitality and can purify air, so they should be watered regularly and cleaned monthly to avoid oil fume. When it comes to growing money plant at home, it's important to choose the right location. According to Feng Shui, the southeast direction of a house belongs to the wood element, which is also associated with financial prosperity. Therefore, placing your money plant in this direction can help increase your wealth. However, it's important to avoid placing any items belonging to the metal element in this area. Instead, you can place a money plant in the southeast direction to enhance the wood attribute of the money plant and attract good fortune. For those who work from home, placing a money plant on your desk can help absorb any negative energy that may affect your career. If you've recently moved into a new home, placing money plants can help purify the air by removing harmful substances like benzene, trichloroethylene, and formaldehyde. When choosing to grow money plant, it's important not to overcrowd your space. A small amount can add charm to your home without negatively impacting your Feng Shui, health, or wealth. In conclusion, choosing the right location for your money plant can have a significant impact on your overall well-being and financial success. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to help others benefit from this valuable information. Best of luck!